Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to find and restore a recently deleted Instagram post. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Instagram and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. Then you want to select the hamburger icon in the top right. Underneath how you use Instagram, select where it says your activity. Under interactions, you want to select, actually a little bit further down underneath removed and archived content, select recently deleted. So if you had any recently deleted items in here, you would be able to see them and restore them. I believe you have 30 days to restore a post in here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Or I think it's up to 24 hours for stories that are not already saved in your archive. So definitely want to get back in here pretty quick if you accidentally deleted something. But pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.